friends. Hi, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today I'm wearing an array of confusing pinks and lavenders, and you know what that means. I'm wearing Daydream Bed. Today we are unboxing Charlotte's Bear. Oh my goodness. Charlotte's Bear is another iconic Imai Kida print, and I am so excited to finally have it. I found the ivory JSK of Charlotte's Bear secondhand on Lace Market, and it was up for a really decent price, so I just snatched it as soon as I saw it. Yoink! That's mine. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. Here is the package. I ripped off the label because I like my privacy. Again, it's in like a super small package. I'm always skeptical, but then I'm like, oh, clothing like folds, so you know, she's probably all in there. But yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and get my cute scissors this time and snip away and see what we have. This seems like a good end to open at. I just saw a bear and it was cute. Oh, a candy. Oh, okay. Wow. This is the inside. I love lavender so much. Ooh. Oh my goodness, these pastels. Smells like they do a lot of cooking in their home. Zesty. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That is so beautiful. The only thing I was a little unsure about in this colorway was like these bright mint bows. The mint on the bottom is like a lot more muted than the mint at the top. One thing that I noticed that's different are the buttons. The buttons are kind of like a little bit more of like a classic button, because usually with Angelic Pretty, it's like shaped like stars or hearts or something really extra, but like that's an actual button for the waist ties. Yes, it has a nice side zipper. It has shearing in the back. The little strappies have like little lace on them, and the straps are extremely adjustable. They have 3 different buttonholes. We have some crosses, and then these giant bears at the bottom are so good. They're just trying their best, and it's so lovely. Oh, there's also bows on the straps, and then one bow, it has like an extra flap thingy, and it has like a little embellishment on it, like it's just like a little gem. Of course, I really love this style because it's like sweet, but it also has a lot of like classy elements. The print at the bottom, again, you've got these giant bears, and there's like a lampshade, a little toy rocking horse, platter of sweets, there's sprinkles, and there's cupcakes, and there's macarons, and there's like a present, like a couple like hat boxes in the background. The end of the print is kind of like, I don't know, what do you describe that? Almost like the end of like a bed skirt kind of looking thing with some pearls. I don't know how to describe that, but it's pretty cute. The outer layer has one layer of like polka dot lace, and then the under layer also has just like regular kind of like tulle lace. I kind of just want to get this print in like more colors because it's so lovely. Okay, so I have the dress on, and like usual, I have some commentary. Overall, of course, I love the design, I love the print and the colors and everything like that. It's gorgeous, except the dusty rose is a little bit hard to coordinate. I found this bow in my bow drawer. Yes, I literally have like 3 drawers just full of bows. And yeah, I just kind of stuck it on my head and like tried to pin it because I thought this color matched these. But yeah, other than everything being super, super cute, it's small. It's pretty small. The waist and the bust here, like it's snug, you know what I mean? Like I can lift my arms and everything like that is fine, but it's not uncomfortable. It's just like very fitted. I did adjust the straps so that they're on their second button because I figured the very last button would probably be a little bit too loose on my tatas because I have none. I love everything about it, but like just want to let you know, like it's kind of snug. But yeah, I love this dress. I think it's super cute, and I want more. All right, that was it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this dress. I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good life, and I will see you in my newest content. Bye.